tick. An honest man does not play a trick. An heir wore a crown shining bright with gold, and on a badge gleamed bright and bold.
A or N, clap your hands. Hear the sound, choose A or N. And an arrow opened wide in the rain. An urn stood still on a shelf again. An urchin splashed by the shining shore. An umpire called, one run more. A or N, clap your hands. Hear the sound, choose A or N.
A unicorn trotted along the trail, a uniform dried in the sunny gale, a utensil shone on a table so new, a universe sparkled in night sky blue.
Now here's